We're here at Rome Outdoor Adventure Company in Pink Coral Sands State Park in Utah. We're getting ready to take our ATV tour on one of these little bad boys. Really excited to drive one. Erica's terrified to ride in one, so it's a good yin and yang mix there.
I don't ski or anything, but I was looking for transportation from Pennsylvania.
Yeah, you didn't miss anything this last winter.
I know. Yeah, my friends ski and they said that the season sucked. I just like the mountains and I wouldn't go out of state for college. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm taking so long to get through here, please.
Yeah.
Do not make me feel bad.
Oh, good. Yeah, you guys take pictures too.
Yeah. It's not a race.
Don't want to hold you guys up.
Oh, please. Just let me know if you want me to take some pictures.
I got some good pictures of you. That was one of our favorite places to go when I was growing up. The water's just crystal. Yes, it
Oh, I don't think I can do that.
Well, let me get down. You take your time. I think it might be better to go up that other way because it doesn't look
Yeah,
like
sometimes
there's
you
anything.
put your foot right there and have
There you
somebody take your hand from the top.
Your foot right there? Yeah.
There you go.
Thanks, Big Bear.
There we go.
There you go. This is
Got
what
it.
is happening. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Here.
Oh.
Let's see. It's gonna be bad. Let's see. I could feel it inside my shoe.
Oh, I know,
Those
I
sand
know.
dunes inside my shoe. Oh my gosh, this is why I brought my shoes with me.